This is a great, gesture. I would say great help, and this is a CSR which really goes. म्हणजे आमच्या स्कूला for studies and for education purpose, they have taken this initiative and handed over this bus to us for school students. आमकां खबर आसा आमची स्ट्रेंथ खूब आसा, पण तरी आसतना आमकां एक दोन बसी आसा त्यो पावनाशिल्ल्यो, आनी the students that we get are from a very remote area, and we have a primary altogether. What is our strength? 300 primary, and secondary 500. Altogether, we have over 800 students who are studying in this institution. I think this school is basically provide the transport facility for primary section, which will cater to primary section. And these small children, if we provide them this facility, then they can grow up and they should not be looking all across other places where people and the buses come from a far away from Margaon and all. They pick up the students because the transport facilities are available. Our own parents do not find any transport facility. So this will facilitate really this will make the parents more comfortable with this school. So with on behalf of the management and the parents, I am wholeheartedly congratulating, and I would express my gratitude and sincere thanks to Cipla company who has been rendering it.
At Cipla management, I wanted to thank you to Goa government, thank you to honorable ministers, thank you to chairman and entire the school management. So this is actually the Cipla started since 90 years back, and Cipla is well known for the caring for the life. And against that, our Cipla Foundation Institute is working for the palliative education front. So always we are trying to do better for the society. And this is the best opportunity given by entire the school management to help us to the 800 plus students, which is actually the bright future for the country as well as our Goa.
ही बस आमकां खरीशीच जाय आशिल्ली, आनीक जे स्टुडंट प्रायमरी खातीर तांकां खूब त्रास जाताले, आनी ते चडशे गरीब भुरगे तांकां ट्रान्सपोर्ट फॅसिलिटी नाशिल्ल्या कारणान ते टायमार स्कुला पावनाशिल्ले जावं तांकां खुबश्यो डिफिकल्टी जाताल्यो. तांचे खातीर आमी ही बस म्हूण मागिल्ली, आनी त्या खातीर आज आमी सिप्लाचे खूब खूब आभारी आसा, कित्याक हो एक दीस तांच्या टायनी टॉट्स त्या धाकटे भुरग्यांच्या हातूंत भितर एक खरो मेमोरेबल दीस जातलो. आनीक परत एकदा हांव तांचे सिप्ला फाउंडेशन तशेंच आमचे ओन मेंबर सुभाष देसाय तशेंच आमचो सीएम जाणी ही इनिशिएटीव घेवन आमची बस दिवपाची प्रयत्न केले, आनी आमचो चौगुले इंडस्ट्रीचो आमचो तनूज तळावलीकर, ह्या सगळ्यांच्या कॉपरेशनान आज ही बस आमकां मेळ्ळी. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.